Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Sometimes you got to show your mistakes, and this epoxy table, I was just about done, and I was doing the flood coat, and and you can see all the cloudiness in the flood coat. It's all milky up here. And what I realized is the temperature and everything was perfect when I put on the seal coat. And then the directions on the epoxy said 4 hours later you could do your flood coat. Well, what I didn't take into consideration was 4 hours later the temperature in my garage was a lot lower than when I did the seal coat. And I believe that's what caused this. There was no problem mixing or anything, but the whole batch, the whole flood coat just turned white. Even the stuff that dripped off the edge, I mean, it's not even clear, it's just white. So I'm going to have to sand this down to put another flood coat on it, and I got to make sure the temperature. So learn from my mistakes, and yeah, make sure that the temperature, they say between 70 and 80, and I'm sure it dropped, probably it was in the 60s when I put this flood coat on, and I just didn't think about it. Anyway, thanks for watching another episode of Outlaw Woodworking, and don't make the mistakes that I made. It just causes you more work. Anyway, although you can see when I am done, it's going to be pretty nice. All right, later.